What's going on, everybody? This is Kevin and Christy with Exploring with KNC, and we are coming to you from the town of Bryan Head, Utah. It's a ski resort town, skiing in the winter, mountain biking in the summer. You see a lot of UTVs. There's a lot of off-road places that you can go back in the backcountry here, which we've done some of that already. It's beautiful. So today we're going to take you to a place called the Bryan Head Peak, and it's the highest point in, is it the highest point in all of Utah?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Well, I know it's 11,400 feet, somewhere around there. Yeah. Anyway, the views are supposed to be spectacular, so we're excited about that. Plus, I'll be able to get some aerial footage for you. So let's go check it out. So you don't get to see this every day. This deer's name is Thunder. That's so cool.
She's cute.
What do you think of Thunder?
She's really cute. Smart.
Headed up to the Bryan Head Peak. Right here, honey. views don't get much better than that. Okay, well that's a wrap on Bryan Head Peak. It was really stunning. When you get up there, there's a stone building that was built, I think it said 1936.
Something like that.
It was built in 1936. It's pretty cool. So it's a cool solid structure. I don't think that thing's going anywhere anytime soon. But when you get up there, there's like a viewpoint off to the side. It's like a rock wall, but you can see forever. It's got to be hundreds of miles that you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Especially if it's a clear day like today was. We could see forever. And there's all kinds of lakes and ponds and you name it, it's everywhere. But anyway, what'd you like?
Just the views.
Just the views?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty standard what it is. It's all about the views. But anyway, go check that out.